Hello friends, today we're going to read I Spy at the Zoo. Welcome, says Mr. Lion, the zookeeper. Which animal would you like to see first? Oh, says Peppa, there are so many. I don't know where to start. I have an idea, says Daddy Pig. Let's play a game. I spy with my Daddy Pig eye something swinging from the trees. Monkeys! Shout Peppa and George. Ooh, ah, ah. They giggle. Now it's Peppa's turn. I spy with my Peppa Pig eye something colourful and bright and squawky. Parrots, says Daddy Pig. Squawk, squawk, says the parrots. They are very noisy, says Daddy Pig. Squawk, squawk, says Peppa and George. They're not the only ones, says Mummy Pig. Squawk, 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 squawk. Mummy Pig has a go next. I spy with my Mummy Pig eye something black and white and waddly. Penguins! Shout Peppa and George. They waddle like a penguins to the icy pond. Hello, Peppa and George, says Mrs. Crocodile. Would you like to help me feed the penguins? Oh, yes, please, says Peppa. The penguins are very good at catching fish, says Peppa. Daddy Pig takes another turn. He speaks very slowly. I spy with my Daddy Pig eye something small and green and slow. Tortoises! Shout Peppa and George. The tortoises peep out of their shells to say hello. Did you know tortoises like to eat lettuce? Says Mr. Lion. Just like the mini beasts in Granny and Grandpa Pig's garden, says Peppa. Munch, munch, says George. Peppa skips along the path. I spy with my Peppa Pig eye something small and fluttery, she called. Butterfly, says George. Peppa and George flap their arms like butterflies. Flutter, flutter. If you stand very still, the butterflies might land on you, says Mr. Giraffe. Peppa and George freeze on the spot. A butterfly lands on Daddy Pig's head. Hee hee, that tickled, says Daddy Pig. Next, the family visits the reptile house. I spy nothing, says Peppa, frowning. Mr. Giraffe comes down. Look very closely, he says. I spy reptiles, says Mummy Pig. Look, they're hiding in the leaves. Peppa and George peer through the windows. There, says George. And there, and there. George tries to hide too. Where did George go? Says Peppa, laughing. Peppa and George lead the way to the aquarium. My turn, says Daddy Pig. I spy with my Daddy Pig eye something shiny and splashy. Fish, shout Peppa and George. Let's pretend to be fish, says Peppa. They wriggle like swimming fish and make fishy faces. Blub, 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 blub. One last go for me, says Peppa. I spy with my Peppa Pig eye something fluffy and snoozy. Koalas, says Mummy Pig. Yes, says Peppa. I wish that they were awake to say hello to us. They wake up at night to eat, Mr. Lion explains. Peppa's tummy rumbles. I need to eat during the daytime, she says. I spy with my mummy pig eye an ice cream cart, says Mummy Pig. Peppa loves the zoo. Everyone loves the zoo. Come back next time for more stories and a lot more fun. Bye!